Hello, welcome back to Mixin with Robin. Good to see you. I hope all of you have been watching our videos. Please let me know. I really would like to know in the comments what you think, what you'd like to see, if there's a certain recipe you would like. I have tons of recipes that I've collected over the years, tons of recipes I've made up over the years. So today, I want to share with you, we are going to do a pizza pull apart. Super easy breezy. We have melted 1 stick of butter. I have put in one of my favorite seasonings. This pizza seasoning here is absolutely yummy, okay? A little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of garlic salt. That's it with a stick of butter melted. Then you're going to take pizza dough, okay, that's in the tube over where you get the biscuits, this big tube like this. This I cut in half because I'm only using 1.5 of it in this particular recipe. Then you're gonna cut it into little chunks. Whoa, I'm flying dough everywhere. You're gonna cut it into little chunks, kind of roll it in a ball, and you're gonna just dip them into this yummy butter mixture. So I am gonna put all of this into a bigger bowl so that we can get it mixed really well. So you can see all the little pizza dough balls in there. Into that, a package of pepperoni. All right, we use the full package and then just cut it in half and then cut it again into 4. So you mix that in. You can see all of that pepperoni goodness in there. And then we're gonna do 1.5. I like to do like right at 2 cups of mozzarella cheese because I'm all about the cheese. You know that with cream cheese but I don't put cream cheese in this. We just do the cheese and it's gonna soak up all that yummy, butter and mix in with your dough balls. And then something really fun that I used to do with another recipe I have, and we're gonna be doing that. You just kind of, you can either dump it all in at once or you can dump the ramekin in. Actually, I'm going to show you the other way because this is easier. If you just dump it in, scrape it all in there, and then what you're going to do is you're going to get all your butter in there, and you're going to be using, look at this little latch here. This is what you call a springform pan. So when this comes out of the oven, it's what you typically would make a cheesecake in. You're gonna pop it open, lift it up, and you're gonna have this yummy-licious pull-apart pizza. Just make sure you got your pepperoni and everything kind of evenly distributed in there. Then you're gonna make a little hole in the middle. You're gonna take your ramekin, because it is oven safe. You are gonna put it down in there. Just make sure you didn't trap any pizza balls inside. And then you're going to throw this into a about 450 degree oven. And you're going to keep an eye on it when you hit about 15 minutes and see. And it's going to puff up, be kind of a golden brown. Your cheese is all going to be melted. So between 17 and 20 minutes. And then you're going to pop it out. And once it comes out, we'll be back and I'm going to show you what it looks like. All right. Oh, I wish there was smell-o-vision for you guys. This is delicious. Our pizza pull apart is out of the oven. Our ramekin that we put in there, I'm going to show you what we do. You're just going to take a knife and just kind of gently go around the sides of it. You don't want to disturb your cute little ring here. And you're going to take it and look at that. You're going to flip it. And guess what is going inside there? Your favorite pizza sauce, whatever you like. It's going to go right in that hot ramekin and it's going to heat up your pizza sauce to the right temp. Sometimes you heat this before and you put it in there and then it's way too hot and you can't taste it because your bread is going to be so hot. So now, those of you who know what a springform pan is. This is the one I was talking about earlier. It has a little hook on this side. You're going to make sure the pan is, or the hook is not too, let's see if we can get it here. Let's go around the edge. You're going to release that hook and you're going to pull the spring off, and I'm hoping that that's what we're going to get to do. So you're going to pull it off here. And again, everybody cooks in a different oven. Today, I'm in a different oven, different than our oven in Pima, because today we are cooking at a friend's house, Corey, and she lives in Gilbert. And she so graciously allowed us to come and cook in her oven. And her oven probably cooks a little bit hotter than our oven in Pima, and a little bit hotter than my oven. So maybe just double check your time, but this should be in a 450 oven for about 20 minutes. So to get it off, just make sure you spray really good on there. And I've just got one side here that just doesn't want to let go. But once you get this loose, oh my gosh, you guys, it is delicious. And then we're going to show you another recipe that you can do with this pizza dough that is a little bit different than just your traditional pizza. Look at this. This is amazing. Oh, it smells so good. You have to make this. Maybe Super Bowl, maybe someone's birthday, whatever occasion, or just plain old Friday night, let's do pull apart pizza, because you can involve the kids, they can cut up the pepperoni. Again, it's just pizza dough right out of the tube that you find in the grocery store. Cut it up and then mix it all with your garlic butter, throw it in the oven, 20 minutes at 450. I hope you try this and I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to pull it apart just so you can see. Look at that. Oh my goodness, you guys, it is so good, so good. All right, thank you for joining us again today. I hope you've had fun watching this video on the pizza pull apart. And please look forward to many more videos. Let us know if you like it. Give us a subscribe. And again, every day might not be a good day, but there is good in every day. So find the good and invite somebody to have some pizza pull apart.